Hello, this video will show you how to use the library database called Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints. So to find this database, you want to start at the school website. So go ahead and for today use Safari, open Safari, make a new tab and type in smroyals.org and you will get to the San Marcos website. From here, press the three lines in the upper left. Choose academics, which is the second one down, and then choose library, which you'll see on the right hand side about midway. And you can get to the databases through the library website, this link down at the bottom, so click that. So there's a tab called databases at the library website, and these are all of the databases that we pay for students to use to find information. The top one is the guide to the databases, so what each one is about. Today we're using this one, Opposing Viewpoints. Also at the very top is the login information. So if you press that blue hyperlink, it will ask you to log in to your school Google account so you can see all of the usernames and passwords of the databases. Today we're using Gale, so the password is Royals. I'm going to go back to Safari now to the library website and just press the databases tab and you will see Opposing Viewpoints in Context about midway down, a little bit farther. So press Opposing Viewpoints in Context and you are at the database we're using today. If it's the first time you're going to it today, you probably will have to type in the password, which is Royals, R-O-Y-A-L-S, lowercase. Now the way this works is you can either search by keyword here in the search box, or you can look at all of the topics that are down here. So this database is all about controversial issues, and you can notice that they have organized them into topics, and then this blue one down here shows all 142 topics which we have. But I think for us, I'm going to press the back button and use the topic called health and medicine because I think that will have the issues that you are researching. So I'm pressing health and medicine and then skim this list to see if there is a topic that is related to what you want to research. So I'm thinking childhood obesity might be one. I'll go a little bit more down. Maybe dieting, I'm not sure about that one. Let's see. Keep on going. Junk food might work. I'm going to keep on going. And obesity and nutrition, both of those might work. For today, I'm going to choose obesity. And if that works for your research, you can do that too. And let me just show you how this is set up. So what it does is it compiles a whole bunch of resources about this topic. So the first thing is an overview article, and then if you scroll down a little bit, it tells you there are 11 what they call featured viewpoints, 174 viewpoints, 67 reference articles, 2 infographics, look at 678 magazine articles. There are thousands of articles about this topic of obesity. So if you scroll down, all the blue titles are links to the sources. Okay, so you want to look for one that relates to your topic. For today's assignment, what I want you to do is find the overview article at the top and press read more. And it's a good idea to start your research by reading this overview because it explains the issue and it says why it's controversial, what both sides think about it. So I would definitely read or skim this article just to get started. And for your assignment, you need to take a screenshot of it. And so go ahead and take a screenshot of the overview article. And then after that, just kind of keep it in your photos and you'll attach it to Google Classroom when you're done. Go back to the main topic. So the way I do it is up here, you can see I'm on something called document. And if I click back one to obesity, it'll be the main topic page. And from here, you can choose another source. So we have the overview screenshot, and now the task is to find an article that's related to your research topic. So you can use a featured viewpoint, so one of these, which they star because they think they're especially relevant, or they have these other viewpoints, which are just another collection of articles. There are 174 of them if you press that top one. You can choose a reference article. For this assignment, I don't think an infographic will work, but for other types of research, sure. Let's see what else. There are magazine articles, there are news articles, 5,000 news articles actually. So there are a lot of things to choose from. One way to figure out what you want to use is next to each article there's this little square with dots. If it's purple with 4 dots, that's an intermediate reading level. You can also look at when it was published. This one was published in 2019. If it has a red square with 5 dots, that's a more advanced reading level. And you can see this was recently published in June 2019, which is good. If you want an easier reading level, you can look for the 3 dots in a blue square, and also look at the date. And of course, read the title, and then click on one and read a little bit and see if it works for you. So for today, I'm going to try this. Let's see, I'll try this top viewpoint that's called It's Poverty, Not Individual Choice That Is Driving Extraordinary Obesity Levels. So I'm going to click on this. And if you're going to actually use the article for your research, you want to skim it and see if it's the article that works for you. But for today's assignment, where we're just exploring, I just need you to take a screenshot of an article on your topic. So this is my second screenshot. And then the third screenshot that you need is the MLA citation. So at the top of the article, there's this little button that says Cite. Press that, and it gives you the MLA 8th edition citation. And if you were making a works cited, you would just press Select and copy and paste it. But for today, all you do is take a screenshot. And now you have your 3 screenshots that show you have explored a little bit on this Gale in context opposing viewpoints. Before you go though, you have time to explore a little bit more. You can press home and you get back to the beginning. And if you want to go back to health and medicine, press that health and medicine, and you can look for other topics related to your research. But the 3 screenshots need to go to Google Classroom to show that you have explored this database. Okay, thanks for watching.